Hey!
Ate Ami! We're here! This is our villa. Wow! Look at that view! This is actually our third time here. Parang 1 year din kami hindi nakabalik. This is my favorite Airbnb.
Galing po sa may-ari.
Wow!
Pa-welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Our favorite welcome snack here in Ata. Puto bao. I'll show you yung loob. Wow! Sarap! Yum!
Yummy.
Sarap!
Kaya nga, dry siya, dry. Hindi siya...
There's lots of puto bao. This is yung dalawang room dito sa labas. Ay nako, yan na yung mga dogs namin nag-enjoy. Let me show you. Here, it's super safe because meron smart lock lahat ng room. Yeah, here, one of our favorite spot dito mismo, meron ng coffee bar area. So, hindi na kayo kailangan lumabas if you want coffee and even water. So, here, there's a huge sofa. Parang kasya dalawang tao dito. So, parang bed na rin siya actually. This is the first room. Look at that beauty. Let's open the curtain, guys. Yeah, this is your view. Ang ganda. Even a hangout spot here, table if you want. Then, 2 single beds, I think. But still, look at that mattress, you guys. Oh, diba? Super lambot. Then, the pillows. Oof. This is the Airbnb talaga na I always feel like hotel quality kasi kompleto talaga sila sa lahat. Parang 65-inch TV. But yeah, let's open the lights. And then you have a workspace here. Cabinets, very spacious. And your own toilet and bath. Open the lights. Ang bango. Ta-da! Open natin yung natural light. And then here you go. You have hand wash, toothbrush, soap, and shower, and toilet. That very spacious. Let's go to the room number 2. This is naman parang pang couple or hindi naman need ng couple but same layout lang siya ng room. You have workspace here, TV, patio, then your own toilet and bath as well. Basically the same lang talaga, and then you have towels. Super same lang siya ng layout. And then from here, let's go to the master bedroom, which is just right here. And then meron din siyang, it's actually connected to the pool area. So basically babalik ka lang din sa kitchen, paikot. This is the master bedroom. Look at that view, guys. Wow. Upon entering, you have a whole body mirror and then huge workspace. Sofa here. Na actually, pwede rin siyang tulugan. Toilet and bath here. Huge cabinet for your clothes, stuff. You have this and the table here. But ito talaga yung winner. And you have your own coffee bar here. Again, di nyo na kailangan lumabas. Water and coffee. And then, this is, oh my goodness, ang ganda. This is the toilet and bath. Let's open the windows. You have the natural lighting. This is what it looks like when the windows are open. And then, this is the shower area. And then, yung other side naman is yung itong toilet. Hamper for the dirty clothes. And then this is the pool area just right outside of the master. Let me tour you guys this part naman, kitchen. Okay, we have here the toilet, so you don't have to go sa room na. Mirror. It smells so good. So open this. Actually complete naman dito. Ito yung lutuan. Everything that you need is here. Laso, spoon and fork, mga pangluto, rice cooker. And this is the pantry area. We have the water dispenser here. That is it. So that is a very quick tour. Lalabas muna kami to eat kasi hindi pa kami kumakain ng aking family. See you guys later.
Dito po.
Ito pa yung salmon din.
Ito yung pancit shami nila. Shami? Shami. Salmon belly. Ano to?
Dinakdakan.
Wow, dinakdakan. Buong rice. Pinakabet. Bulalo. Guys, ordered halo-halo.
Last team ko yung bago.
Simple makeup of the day. Let's go to the kitchen. Wow. Mr. Sun saying hello. Maririnig nyo lang yung mga ibon dito. Wow. Ayan na. Hinahanap ako ng mga anak ko. Ayan na. The outfit today. Super cute na home slippers nila here. Cute! Ano pa ako hindi cute? Si Oatmeal, kanina tahol ng tahol kay Ate Amy. Ito na siya ngayon. Nakikipagbati siya kay ate. Para bigyan siya ng pagkain. Tapos sa you pag kumain later. Here sa Agda, pwede kayo mag-avail ng mga paluto and like this poodle fight. Ay, tatay ko daw. Sa mga langaw. Oh, brainy siya. Darling ko, nahihirapan mag-decide o anong gagamitan niya. Swimming sila guys. Ito ang aming mermaid dog. Go, Cinnamon, go! Go! Nag-swimming na.
Oatmeal? Ayaw niya.
Ayaw ni Oatmeal. High tide na. Kaninang morning, low tide. Super low tide. But look, super clear ng water. Ah. Actually, na-experience ko na yung dagat dito no summer talaga. And mas clear pa dito. As in, crystal blue water. And swimmable naman siya. Actually, ang dami mong fish na makikita nagsiswim, even crabs. Formation na.
Ayusin mo na. 1, 2, 3, go.
That she got me. Formation now. Formation now. Just say I love me. Formation now. Dancer. Favorite niya. Oh. Bakit sa ilong? Light dinner lang kami for tonight. Bibinyagan ko na tong liempo, di ba? My God! No. Tanglad by Matt. Anong tawag dyan?
Salanola.
Salalola. Salalola to. Yum! Just finished my massage. Bonfire night. Prepare na sila Ate Amy ng bonfire namin. Ito yung s'mores na in-avail namin. Ate Amy ulit. Ayan. So, if you need bonfire and s'mores setup, ang ingay naman ng mga kasama ko. Ang daming chika.
Uy, masusunog. Masarap dito.
Sarap ng init. Ayan, ang sarap. Breakfast time. Umorder kami ng puto bao sa kanila. Pang pasalubong. Meron silang contact number. And ayan. I have sinangag. What else? Longganisa. This is, I think, maling. And egg. Oh, we also have pandesal. Breakfast. Oh, with the best view.
Panalo yung mga pandesal din na.
Drone time. Medyo maambon lang.
Kala kasi mag-dive, di ka naman talaga marunong eh. Paano, Roka?
Weekend time. Look at that lomi. Oh, look it.